Okay, I'm making this because I can't take this, Zach. George, I can't. Zach, you're doing everything wrong. You've got to get a platform. This little dog was conditioned very young to default to that platform, so that's what he does. That's what he does. And this collar is cold, meaning it's just a pager being used as an information conduit. The unintended byproduct is it just blows up the drive. It creates a neural pathway or something. Because if he said, "Oh, this isn't a feisty little dog," he takes great joy in going after the other dogs. He's such a cute little guy. All right, hang on. Let me get this camera stand here because this is his little. He likes to do the twirl. He's hyper engaged. It's so cute. How cute is he? See, we couldn't see him. Hang on. It's past the point of arguing that this is better. I have to focus on the fact something is physiologically going on here. So he's going to lay back down. He is. You said you could watch the tail and see when he was going to do it. It's crazy. So that's a default behavior, meaning the dog has never been forced to go there, but there was a tremendous bias towards success at that location. So when in doubt, I'm going to do that. So activating the pager is going to make him go fast. He's not going at all now. He's not going at all now. With the peanut. You little Mr. Peanut. Just so cute, Mr. Peanut. He's beyond cute. Okay. If you said, what about his healing? His healing is this kangaroo healing thing. So this thing is set on 0, but the contact points are plastic anyway. So if somehow, and this dial really doesn't get turned on its own, but somehow if it did accidentally get, nothing's going to happen. All right, so if you said, how does he heal? He's got turns. You little kangaroo healer. He's crazy cute. Okay, and he's got to deliver to hand. Oh, he'll pretty much get anything, though. He's unbelievable. If you said, is he inhibited at all by the backpack? No. He just thinks it's clothes. That's the thing about if you always put clothes on him. He just thinks it's a jacket. All right, so if you said, what about a double? He can do it as a double, too. If you said he's giving the backpack the shake off, probably. There are some dogs that will. I've got that one video where the dog just starts falling on the ground. Oh, flopping all over the ground trying to get it off. Okay, so if you said what you're going to do is like this. He walks with me so perfectly. Turn. Uh-oh. Oh my God. But wait, the keys. Oh, Mr. Peanut. I'm beyond crazy cute. Anyway, that's just what here I can do. Here I can show you. He's got a default drop deliver. Let me show you that real quick. Oh, be careful! He said he's too desperate. Okay, so if you want to get this low shot, I'm just putting it on this little thing here. And in order to make sure that I drop it in the right spot, I put that pink. To get the best effect, you want to drop it right on that. So if you said, how do you start the draw? I usually start it by just getting speed going up here. This under your arm. You're turning, I'm turning turning. Oh. And then secondary location for the tree. He's so cute. Anyway, I'll be live on Facebook. I don't go live on here that much, but I probably should. I just don't. But that's, just Zach is ruining this dog. Any little dog especially responds to this pager. You want the peanut? He's already got it afraid of him. You've got to just move away. Then they don't get afraid of you. He's so small. If I start coming towards him. He's scared. That's how he is. I gotta get a little video of his healing. It's so cute. Oh my God, he's so cute. All right. Anyway. That's what's going on. So I've got to go back on Facebook, but you get the idea.